Happy VA Wednesday. So today we're going to talk about how your credit score impacts the interest rate you're offered on a VA mortgage. The reason we're talking about this today is I actually had it happen twice last month. And in seeing that, it made me go, wow, this is a video. We need to warn people, tell your friends, share this. This is important. So here's the basic circumstance that happened with both borrowers. Both borrowers had credit in the lower sixes. Okay, we're talking above 600 but below 640. And both of these borrowers had been told by their respective lenders, different parts of the country, that since they had less than 640 credit scores, that VA was going to charge them a higher rate. Guys, I've said this in so many videos, VA is not setting the pricing. It's lenders. VA doesn't have an add-on for credit scores when they're sending their batch pricing. It's a lender thing. It's lenders adding on these extra layers. And with credit, it doesn't make a lot of sense. And here's why. VA loans are federally backed loans. Whether you have an 800 credit score or a 600 credit score, they are federally backed loans. Now, why does that matter? So with a conventional mortgage, if your credit score is lower, your rate will be higher. And the reason is it's not a federally backed loan. It's not. There's risk involved. So you'll see with a conventional loan or a jumbo loan, you'll see different pricing based on credit score. And that's because risk, right? The lower the credit score, the higher the risk. In VA, that's moot because it's a federally backed loan to the same level, whether regardless an 800 or a 600 credit score. Okay, so if you guys don't have perfect credit, I don't want you to feel like if some lender's telling you this is the best you're gonna get, you're lucky you're even getting a loan. If they're doing any of that demoralizing negative talk, I want you guys to hang up on them. Yeah, I do. Because the bottom line is that score on VA mortgages really doesn't impact rate. So in both circumstances, the lenders were charging over 4.5% on a 30-year VA fixed mortgage. This is January 2021, and this was in December 2020. The market is in the low twos. We closed both of those borrowers in the low twos, saved each of them over 2%. 2%. Guys, it's the same loan. It's a VA 30-year fixed loan. The only difference is we weren't trying to gouge them on their insecurities. That's it. And that's what you guys really need to watch out for, because this is one of the predatory type behaviors I see with VA a lot, where people use what happens in the conventional market in order to try to justify something they're doing with VA. And it doesn't transfer over. It's a different world. So your credit score in conventional definitely could lead to a higher rate. VA, no guys, it's a federally backed loan. So what I want you guys to do is if you're shopping for a VA mortgage, I really want you guys to be aware of this. If anyone starts being really negative to you and saying your rate's going to be 3, 4, 5%, I want you to hang up. You guys know I love the hang up. I love the click bye, because there's no reason your rate should be 3, 4, or 5%. I literally cannot think of any reason under the sun I would be quoting 3, 4, or 5%. And many of the lenders I compete against aren't even that high. And some of them are kind of high. 3, 4, 5% doesn't make sense. If they're saying, oh, we've got to charge you 2 points because of your credit, hang up. We've got to charge you a point because of your credit, hang up. I mean, there's so many different reasons to hang up. The bottom line is that if you're looking for a VA loan, you want to make sure you're not getting taken advantage of. And one of the ways that lenders do this is they try to tie you into conventional norms. Well, guess what? It's not a conventional mortgage, it's VA, it's a different world. So I hope this video has been helpful. If you have questions or comments, let me know. I am licensed in 46 states, yes, 46. So if you want a competitive rate quote, pick a time on my calendar. I'm happy to quote you and tell you where we are so you at least know, is your lender being good or is your lender being naughty and needs to be hung up on? Thanks for watching.